Hello everyone, welcome back. So now we are starting with the next step, and that is marks entry, CO attainment and PO attainment. I am going to show you that how to go through these steps. These steps can be done only when we have the students registered in our course. So if student registration is pending, then we may not be able to go ahead with these. So first of all, we go to the marks entry and we are going to select that for which semester we are going to enter the marks. So we select 18-19 second semester, and these are the courses which I have. I am going to enter the marks for LNMIT EC department, BTech in CCE, and this is my analog electronics course. Please check, there is a similar course here, Y18 EC department, but this is for BTech in ECE. So same course is offered for ECE, same course is offered for CCE. Be very careful that where are you going to enter the marks. So click on the action button, and then you will have all the assessment components here. So we select one of them. You can select in any sequence, and there you can see that there is an option to download the Excel file. Click on the default format and save this Excel file, and then you can open this blank file. This is the blank file. Enable the editing, and you can see that we have the option of entering the marks for each question. There is only one question, so there is one entry, and total marks. So now from MIS, from ERP, download the Excel file of the marks. In that Excel file, only highlight the branch for which you are entering the marks. So I have highlighted only the CCE students here. Then go to the respective component. This is my NTERM, and please select the scale down column only. And in this mark entry, if you have given certain codes like 401, 402, 403 and all, please replace all of them with 401. If you have not used those codes, leave it as it is. But if you have used those codes, please replace all of the codes with 401. Copy this data and paste the values. So now we have our question wise marks and total marks for end semester assessment component. Save this file, close it, and come back to OBE module. Choose the file, and this is my end semester file. Click OK and import from Excel. So now these marks, they will be entered on the OBE module. So sometimes what can happen that question wise marks are entered but total marks are not updated. So if you face such issue, either you can press tab, click somewhere and keep pressing tab button, so it will update all of these. This happens with MIS portal also, or you can upload the Excel file one more time and it will be uploaded. Once you are sure that all the codes are mentioned correctly, if there is a code which is 401, for example I mention this 401, then you have to tick absent and the code will be automatically taken as 401. If it was coming from Excel file, the tick will happen by its own. Now we just scroll down and we will submit the marks first. If there are no more changes required, we will log the marks and we close this. Similarly, go to the action again and enter the marks for other components also. I am done with marks entry for all the three components now. Now we are going to the next step, which is CO attainment. In the CO attainment, we have to perform some calculations. So first of all, we have to set a target. For 2018-19 second semester CCE Analog Electronics course, I set some targets. The targets can be 40 to 70% depending on the type of course. There is a guideline also which is mentioned here. You can take help of it. So let me set the target at 40. That means I am targeting that at least the student will score 40 and above in these COs. Mention and submit. Then go to exam wise attainment process. Go to the semester, course name, exam. This is my first exam, end semester exam. And okay, I have to submit the marks there. So I go back to marks entry. So basically after locking I had not submitted. So after locking, submit and close. Come back to CO attainment. And then we can see that the current attainment process we can continue 18-19 second, and I select end sem exam. We have to click on the button CO attainment process. So when we click on this button, the computations will start. It can take only a few seconds. Then go to the next exam, which is mid semester exam, and compute again. Go to the next, which is quizzes, and compute again. So as many exams you have to complete the process for each of them. You can also download these reports and visualize those. Next step, we go to course wise attainment. Select the session, select the course, and click on CO attainment process. So now it has done the complete calculation for the whole course. To see the summary, go to gap analysis, select your course, and you will be able to see that my target was 40%. On an average, 40 to 50% is my achievement. If this gap comes out to be positive, that means we are lacking somewhere. We may enter the reasons for them. The next step is PO attainment. That means based on this course, for my whole program, what are the attainment levels? So go to the semester, select the program is CCE. This is Y18 CCE second semester analog electronics, and I click on attainment process. You can just leave it as it is. The records will go to the HOD, and then they can take the complete picture by the POs of all the courses for this program. So let me summarize it one more time. We have to enter COs, CO-PO mapping, enter our assessment components, and question paper creation. This part can be done without the student registration also. After that, once the student data is available, we have to enter the marks by carefully filtering only the particular branch. So this is only CCE student. The remaining data I will use for ECE marks entry. These are the entries. You don't have to pick repeaters or dual degree students. Only BTech students of current batch you have to take, and then go for CO attainment and PO attainment. That is the process. Thank you.